I will show you how to play mobile games on PC. The first step is to open your Google Chrome. Type BlueStacks. Click this website. Download this BlueStack file. If you have downloaded it, install the application. If you have installed it, open the application. Don't forget to log into the Play Store. Find the mobile game you want to play, example Subway Surfers. Click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Launch the game. To adjust performance, you can go to Settings. Here you can adjust how optimally this application runs. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the game.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.